This is Edward. I'll be your Arabic interpreter today. The interpreter ID 252725. This call may be monitored for training and quality assurance purposes.
Thank you, sir. Can you please raise your right hand to be sworn? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll interpret accurately, completely, and impartially, using your best skill and judgment, translate from Spanish and from Spanish into English? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's try that again. Translate from English into Arabic and from Arabic into English in the manner now before the court, so help you God.
I do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Arbor Manor versus Gada Al Hussein.
Yes.
If you could translate that, sir.
I'm sorry. The interpreter did not hear cannot repeat the names because of the way of the
Okay.
pronunciation.
Because of my pronunciation?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's going to be bad.
That's right.
But it's Arbor Manor versus Al Hussein.
Arba Manor versus الحسين. نعم ضد الحسين. اسمي إدوارد مترجم اللغة الإنجليزية.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Parissa Gazeri, appearing for plaintiff.
هوريسا جزيري هي بالنيابة عن الشخص المتقدم.
What are your names?
My name is Fatima Sada. إذن اسمك
غادة الحسين.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, the outstanding balance is $1,235.
إذا المبلغ المستحق الدفع $1235.
If you recall, when we were here last time, plaintiff was waiting for a decision from compliance regarding reinstatement of the subsidy.
نعم إذا waiting for a decision from who?
Compliance.
Compliance. نعم إذا آخر مرة كنا موجودين هنا كنت بانتظار قرار من اللي هي قسم الموافقة بخصوص هذا المبلغ.
Have we heard anything yet regarding reinstatement?
So, all right.
هل إنه سمعتوا أي قرار بخصوص هذا المبلغ؟
No.
No.
Yes, the subsidy has been reinstated. The outstanding balance includes the reinstatement of the subsidy.
نعم إنه تم تقرير يعني كان هناك قرار بخصوص هذه المساعدة أو التخفيض وهذا المبلغ هو من ضمنه التخفيض يتضمن التخفيض هذا المبلغ.
بس هلا أنا بس بدي أسأل سؤال. الألف المبلغ اللي هي ذكرته هلا ليش نحن لأنه دافعين المبلغ كامل وقبل ما تسافر هي على الأردن نحن رحنا لعندهم سألناهم فينا ندفع المبلغ لمدة 4 شهور الأجار لبين ما ترجع قالوا لنا إيه وقالوا لنا إنه فينا توقع ورقة وقعونا على ورقة جديدة على عقد جديد واللي هو $8 وقالت تدفعوا هي مثلا $8 بس ترجع من الأردن.
I'm sorry, one moment please. كم ذكروا إنه تدفعوا؟
$4 ل4 شهور وبس ترجع من الأردن تدفع $8 هو أجار بيتك.
$4 في الشهر؟
إيه ونحن دفعناهم مرة واحدة ومعانا الشيك.
The interview needs to be $4 بالشهر دفعة؟
$4 بالشهر دفعناهم على 4 شهور وبشيك واحد ب4 شيكات وهن يعطونا ريسيتس لإلهم.
Yes, and before she traveled to Jordan, we called and we agreed on a payment plan for on 4 months. We paid $4 a month for 4 months, and we paid we sent a check for that amount.
My question, can I just say it in English? So my question, why does she have to pay that balance? That's what I wanted to know. Why?
Just asked in English. You want to know why she has to pay the amount?
Yes, so why does she have that amount to pay? Because she already paid her. Yes. Got it.
So when we were here previously, this had moved to market rent, which was $1,465 per month.
Okay, let the interpreter. Go
إذا
ahead.
لما كنا هنا آخر مرة تم الاتفاق إنه الإيجار يكون بمبلغ $1465 في الشهر.
بس نحن هذيك المرة ما حكينا شيء وتأجلت القضية لليوم والأوراق موجودين معايا. فأنا متفاجئة يعني لأنه لا وصلتنا رسالة بهذا المبلغ وما وصلنا شيء، وأنا يعني شخصيا كنت متابعة الموضوع كله.
No, the last time we did not talk about this amount because I have the papers that proved it, and I follow up this closely. We never talked about the $1,465 a month.
Okay, so when we filed this case, we filed the case for a much higher amount. It was around $7,000, I believe.
لما قدمنا هذه القضية للمحكمة كان المبلغ الكلي كبير جدا، تقريبا $7,000.
$7,339 to be exact.
I'm sorry,
بس
7,000.
339.
نعم، بالتحديد كان المبلغ $7,339.
After the subsidy was reinstated, the rent was adjusted to $166 per month.
نعم، بعد أن إنه اجت هذه مساعدة الإيجار يعني تفعلت، نزل الإيجار إلى $166 بالشهر.
تمام، ونحن اليوم رحنا وقعنا مثل ما عم تقول $166، رحنا اليوم وقعنا. هي يعني ال7,000، هي ليش تدفع ال7,000؟ هلا هن خصموا لها ال1000 المبلغ اللي حكته، بس هي ما عليها دفع لحتى تدفع، هي دافعة كل شيء. وإذا بده حضرة القاضي يعني يقرأ هاي الورقة ويشوف هدول بنفسه.
Yes, you're correct after the subsidy, and we paid everything. We didn't owe any money, and we have the papers to prove that if the judge wants to take a look at them, or that we paid everything.
You paid the $4 per month.
انت دفعتي $4 بالشهر.
ايه دفعتهم 4 شهور. Like I paid that 4 months when she traveled to Jordan. We paid that before she traveled and they said you're okay to go.
But when the subsidy gets reinstated, your $4 comes off, but you're being charged at a rate of about 160 a month. Is that
نعم،
right?
لما التخفيض يرجع، نعم، لما التخفيض يرجع المبلغ ينزل، المبلغ الإيجار بينزل إلى $166. يعني أنت عم تدفعي $4 بالشهر، then والبقية $166.
Okay, let me just say that because I think something. Okay, so her lease was $4 before she traveled, which is on January, February, March, April. And so for today, we went there today. They told her that she's supposed to, her rent is right here. We went there today before we come to the court, and we signed up this paper, $166. So it starts from June. That's what she told me today. So if you want to take a look at it, yeah.
The date is January.
Yeah, but she told me, I mean, I asked her, we paid that. So today I was there, I asked her, should we pay for the letter? She said, no, it's only for June.
Just a moment, Mr. Interpreter.
So
And just like that, the whole hearing gets a dollar sign attached to it. $1,235 on the table. and already you can feel the confusion building. This is where landlord-tenant cases get messy fast, because the number itself isn't always the real issue. It's how that number was calculated, whether notice was clear, and whether there was an agreement that changed what was owed. If the tenant was told one thing, paid under that understanding, and is now hearing a completely different balance in court, that's exactly the kind of disconnect that can turn a routine housing matter into a courtroom headache. So keep your eye on one key question here.
When a subsidy is reinstated, it will go back to an effective date.
Okay.
And so the money would be owed from that period. If you could say that, Mr.
نعم، إذا اللي أعرفه إنه لما التخفيض إنه يرجع، لما يرجعوا التخفيض فيرجع المبلغ إلى تاريخ محدد.
So you get charged that from the effective date, and then they subtract your payments out, and that's what you would owe.
إذا من التاريخ المحدد بينقصوا المبلغ، والمبلغ المتبقي هو المبلغ المطلوب دفعه.
خليني أفهمك. Can I just translate for her? Because I want her to make sure she understands. شو اسمه؟ هلا أنت لما سافرت بما إنك وقعت على شو اسمه هلا هون شوفي موقعنا اليوم إحنا وقعنا $166. هاي كانت بشهر واحد لازم كنت تعمليها. أوكي؟ فعليك هلا 1400 يمكن $65. آه... yes. So her this thing on January. We went there January 29, 2026. Her amount was $8 only. So you can take a look at it. It was only $8, not 166. I'm sorry, I know you're having birthday.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I can take this, I can take a photo of it.
Yes,
take it
please.
to my client, but
Because she
the
was,
recertification that you signed has the 166.
it was today, so I went today and I signed up those. But on January 29, we went there and we signed up for the $8 for her rent, which is not 166. So I think there's mistake.
Can I take a photo?
Mercy. And I showed it to her today, and she said, yeah, this is not from the bag. This is only for June. Because I showed that one for her today, the office.
When does this recert happen? Isn't it in January?
Yeah. January 29, 2026.
But they didn't have the document where she left for Jordan.
They don't. I went with her, and she sent up the new lease.
So, Your Honor, I can make a call.
Yeah.
We have the interpreter.
Yeah, take your time, yeah. Can I take it?
Yeah, I get it.
Thank you.
Well, let me ask this. Are we going to need you're interpreting very well. Do we really need the interpreter here?
I mean, just for her so she can understand what's going on.
Well, could you fulfill that and explain it to her? Feel comfortable doing that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that and we can let the interpreter go about his weekend. Sir, thank you very much.
Thanks for using our services. Bye-bye.
Now this is an important courtroom moment, and not just because it changes the flow of the hearing. The judge is basically asking, do we need formal interpretation for the rest of this, or can the daughter handle it? On a practical level, sure, it may speed things up. But legally, comprehension matters a lot. In any case involving rent obligations, signed documents, or payment responsibility, the person affected needs to actually understand what's being said and what they're agreeing to. Because if the case later turns on, well, she signed it, the obvious follow-up is, did she fully understand what she signed in her own language at the time? That doesn't automatically invalidate anything, but it absolutely matters. And you can feel the hearing narrowing now, less chaos, more bring me the exact paperwork, the exact dates, and let's stop guessing.
ما صار شيء عمول إنه هذا بشهر واحد، بس أنا فرجيت لأنه نحن وقت اللي رحنا ووقعنا. لا استنى دقيقة. كانوا يدفعونا لأنه قالوا إنه إحنا مو دافعين $166 شهر واحد. because we واحد هيك يا شايفين لما رحنا وقعنا واحد
What?
2026.
I was right
هذا مش
on
بقول لي كيف بدك تدفعي إذا أنت دافعة بس $4.
Just for clear,
قلت له أنا
510.
فرجيتها إلا مو فرجيته إنه هي لأنه قلت لها ليك ها 1/29/2026 وما موقع على $8 قبل ما تسافر، بس شلون عم تقولوا إنه بشهر واحد 166.
I told you this one.
الأوفيس علاش طيب هني ما عندهم هاي المعلومات؟ لأن ما بعرف أنا شخصيا رحت معاها ووقعت قدامي هاي الأوراق.
I'll be done. Take that long. I did my part. Huh? Is it really? Are you serious?
Thank you.
You know what? All of you have had a very bad attitude today.
هذا ما فهمت عليه ولا كلمة.
This is all Razan's fault.
I think it's Anne's fault because she said before 5. And Alan and I told her. It's not gonna happen before 5. Judge.
Oh,
It's not gonna happen.
I was optimistic. Between now and the 26th, right? Let me ask you this. If your mother owes this, is there gonna be a need for a payment plan of some type to try to get her caught up? Is that,
The $1,000, I don't think so.
pardon?
The $1,000 you mean?
Yes.
I don't think so, because she gets her SSI payments 900 and something.
Okay, so something can be worked out where it
Yeah.
won't be a hardship. Okay.
Because she made her payments, then it's not her fault. You know what I mean?
No, I know.
Yeah.
That a certain amount has to be paid. We'll figure it out.
All right, appreciate you.
All right, I'll adjourn this to June 26th,
June.
2026 at 12 noon.
All right, can I just what's the name? Okay.
You can let her know. I'm not gonna order an interpreter, because you're gonna be here. And you
Right.
can ex-
Of course.
if it becomes a problem, then we'll bring one in.
All right.
All right?
Yep. But can I just write it down, please? June 26th.
Yes, June 26th, 12 noon.
Come on. All right. I really appreciate your time.
All right, not a problem. You
Thanks.
guys take care this weekend.
You too.
Okay.
So the hearing ends without a final ruling today, but make no mistake, this wasn't a nothing burger court date. What just happened is the judge effectively hit pause and said, I need this cleaned up before I decide what happens next. And honestly, that makes sense, because right now this case feels like a collision between rent assistance rules, market rent adjustments, travel timing, and a whole lot of contradictory paperwork. The daughter's position is basically, we paid what we were told to pay, we signed what they told us to sign, and now we're being handed a balance that doesn't match the story we were given. The court's next hearing is going to matter because that's where the fog has to clear.